Hi guys, Katyoparty here. It's been a while, but I am happy to be back after all my travels and adventures and sickness and oh my gosh, all kinds of stuff. Here are my two dogs. We have Stanley, Mr. Stanley, who's always here, and then the big dog. That's Mila. That's my son's dog. They're staying here for a little while. Excuse me. So they are parked at the window in my studio, just surveying their kingdom. Anyway, I thought I would do just a really quick little tour of my studio because I totally rearranged it and got, just moved things all around. So it's in pretty decent shape right now. So I'm at the top of the stairs. My studio's in the upstairs. And so when you walk up the stairs, I don't know, my husband doesn't think this is my best idea to put this little cart here that has just a ton of stuff. I've been teaching some little classes, just very elementary little art classes. So I put all my teaching stuff right here. Well, most of it anyway. And then this is just a little shelf that a friend of mine gave me. It's old, but it's got my zoo of my little bobblehead animals that I collect when I travel, if I see them somewhere. And then I've made some ATC little things at some point, and then there's just a bunch of art that I've made in the last few months. Well, some a little longer, but anyway, here's the desk. I got my sewing machine covered up. It's all plugged in, everything, so if I want to use it. Printer, all kinds of supplies and stuff in the little carts. What I have is like a lot of stuff on wheels. This is like a little twin bed that I'm just I like to lay in the sun and read, or just get away when the TV's really loud. You can see my neighbor's house, and it's really turned winter here, so this little tree is holding on to its leaves. But anyway, I'll back up just a little. Hopefully the dogs won't start barking at anything. And I'll just kind of pan around right here, right next to when you walk up the stairs. This is some of my art, but the majority of things on here, well, maybe not the majority anymore, are things that are made by other artists that I enjoy and like. Got a paper shredder. This, I'm working my way out of. It's just all kinds of stuff I had from when I was big into scrapbooking, and I still use it for making cards. But you can see, look at how many of these are on the bottom. This used to be cram-packed full, so I'm trying to use it all up, and then I'll either repurpose this little rack or I will pay it forward. And then I have like my little die cutting Sizzix stuff. Hardly use that. Stencils, paper cutting station. Here's some more of the art. Books, die cutting, my label maker. I'll do maybe a little show and tell of what's actually in these shelves. So let me walk over here. This is my main work area. I'm working on this painting right now, and it's a love-hate relationship, as always. And right now I'm not real fond of it, but I will. This is drying. I just put that on there. So anyway, this is kind of, this is an armoire. When I first started doing art and stuff, every single bit of my supplies fit in this armoire, and I could shut it and no one was the wiser. Well, now this is kind of a catch-all of projects in process or waiting to be in process. All this is like junk journal fodder. Oh my gosh, it's just a disaster. Okay, my art kind of books are in here. Then you go over here. I know where everything is in here, but it just looks bad. Another painting in progress. Tons of beads. Blah, 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 more art. This is all my art over here that I've created. This is my, you know, there's that scrap box. This is like a scrap desk that I bought years ago. So, anyway, there's that. You know, on all this stuff, like you can hide it if you shut it. Oh, look how neat that is. Anyway, I never shut it though. And then over here is like just various, all kinds of paint brushes, works in progress. This is what I've been working on today. I'll show this. These are flowers. Okay, I got another one right here. And then I have this big one that I haven't, I gessoed them. Because here's what they are. Here, I'll look over here. See these? They were on a piece of art that I bought at like Hobby Lobby or Gordman's or something. And then I got tired of it, but I thought, oh, I could rip these flowers off and use them for something. They're metal. And so I've had them around for a while. And I just decided to mess with them today. So I'm repainting them. Right now I'm using silks. Because I have, at one time I bought the whole collection of silks. And so, you know, if you don't use those, they will thicken up and stuff. And then you won't be able to. So, anyway, this is, let's see, my art journal's on here. Haven't worked in that for a while. Anyway, so I just thought I would do a quickie tour of my art space, and I am going to actually film a video, and I'm going to try to get back in the swing of, I was watching some YouTube videos, but I'm going to try to get back in the swing of doing regular videos again, and I'm just kind of getting back in the swing of my regular routine and my life after we were traveling for a while. We did go to some awesome places. Maybe I'll show a few pictures of some of those places. But anyway, I just wanted to check in, say hi, and I can sit and spin on my chair. Ooh, that might make people dizzy. Okay. Say goodbye, dogs. Hi, Stanley. Hi. Anyway, I will see you soon. Adios.